Before you repair a grinder, you need to do some safety precaution. Safety gloves, and the tools that you're gonna need is screwdriver. This one, small screwdriver, flat. You have a small file or sandpaper, and you need a flat screwdriver. If you work by yourself, maybe you're gonna need this one. Substraps, side cutter, tester, the brush, if flashlight, if the magnifying lens, grounded. So there's a problem. See? Just like that. Let's start. Unplug the cord for your safety. Now check the brush first, okay? Brush on the side of the grinder. Let's open it and take a look and do an inspection. It's still okay. Check the other side. Still okay. Now test if the contact here armature. Now we're gonna need a tester to set it on edible. Okay. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you're gonna need this substrap here. All you have to do is okay. This side is okay. Okay, there is a contact side cutter to cut this one. Compact driver. All you have to, okay, do it like that. You can see it. All right, okay, so next step 2, because those brass housing is fine, to check the trigger connection. So to open the box here, there's a lock here, both side. We have to open that one, and let's see inside. I'm gonna use this file here to clean the contact. Or okay, see, that's the one. There's probably lost contact here, so I have to grind that one and clean it up, both side, and then this one too, like that, and then we have to clean that. Now it's clean. If you want to see inside, so we have to put it back. So make sure that it goes on the original position. Okay, and then you can put it, you just put it like that, and then press it. Okay, right. So, okay. Okay, file the tip on this brass like that. Just a little bit. So remove those burn carbon. It's not a carbon tax, but it's just a carbon monoxide. All right. Easy to strip the thread, I can tell you that. All plastic is a plastic, just like the people around you. Maybe some of them is plastic. Okay, like that. Okay, let's try. Yeah. Now it's worked really good. So the problem was the trigger from here. The contact is covered by the carbon. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now it's worked. So that's it.